Today, Japanese public broadcaster NHK came to film a segment. My work didn't change at all, but I felt a bit awkward being on camera. I was just nervous about being interviewed while working. The frame along the wall consists of two beams joined together. I set plastic posts underneath to support them. Plastic posts are perfect for height adjustments before installing the actual wood posts. Then I installed the 1200mm joists. Again, the notches are just 15mm deep, nothing complicated. I finished installing the frame that connects to the posts. However, the deck is L-shaped, attached not just to the front but also to the right side of the house. So there will be another rail post in the corner. I first use a laser level to measure the correct height on one side and mark it, then use that as a reference to mark the other side. As long as everything is level, I could check the height in 2 or 3 spots, but since the borrowed laser is a bit hard to see, I'm just checking in 2 places. For the railing post and support post, I attach 20mm thick footings. These keep moisture from seeping in from the concrete slab, helping with drainage and preventing water buildup. They're really useful